Llevar versus pasar.
Today, we're going to look at an important difference in Spanish. You can say,
Llevo 2 años en España.
I have been in Spain for 2 years. But be careful, it doesn't mean the same as I spent 2 years in Spain. That would be,
Pasé 2 años en España.
what's the difference? When you use
Llevar.
plus time plus gerund or place, it means something ongoing, something that's still happening. It's like saying I have been doing something for a certain amount of time. For example,
Llevo 2 años en España.
means I have been in Spain for 2 years. This suggests you're still in Spain right now.
Llevo 2 años estudiando español.
Means I have been studying Spanish for 2 years. This shows that you've been studying and are still studying Spanish. On the other hand, when you use
Pasar.
plus time plus in place, it refers to something that has already happened, something that's finished. It's like saying I spent a certain amount of time doing something. For example,
Pasé 2 años en España.
means I spent 2 years in Spain. This indicates you were in Spain for 2 years, but you're no longer there. So, remember,
Llevar.
is for things still happening, and
Pasar.
is for things that are finished. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any Spanish tip every day. See you in the next video.